Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like Manual Building Design, STAT Pro, ETAP, SAP, Revit, AutoCAD, Primavera, P6 are available at Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contain 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. So because of my busy schedules, I was not able to post some videos regarding the structural engineering as well as the civil engineering in our YouTube channel. So from now I am free now, so that you will get the notification from Civil Engineering by Shravan YouTube channel. And if you are not yet downloaded my application, so please download my application. So the complete download link is available in the below description of this video. And if you are using iOS device also, you can download my application. I will update the complete link about how to access to our application, Civil Engineering Shravan application, to the iOS device. And in that particular application, I was updated some of the courses regarding the structural engineering as well as the architectural engineering. Under the structural engineering, I was uploaded STAT Pro full detailed STAT Pro course as well as the ETAPS detailing course and as well as the SAP 2000 course. In the same process, I was updated the Revit architectural software course also. Okay, in that particular application, it is having 4 courses. So in the same process, I was updated the 2-in-1 packs, like combination of these courses like STAT ETAPS and ETAPS SAP, ETAPS Revit and Revit STAT, like that. So you can see the complete courses which are available in our application. Most of the students also enroll to these particular courses for learning the complete structural engineering courses according to our civil engineering consideration. Nowadays, after completing of your BE or ME, or whether you are experienced person or whether you are working on the professional, it is necessary to learn the complete knowledge regarding the civil engineering. Okay, why? Because in particular site condition system or interviews, or if you are doing with masters, then it will be definitely help you regarding these particular courses. In the previous section also, I was given the courses under 80% discount, but that particular offer was ended because of the many requests from the students. Most of the students, new students also calling me regarding that particular offer for the particular courses. For the request of the many people, I am giving particular offer, and this is the last and final offer I am providing on this particular single packs, 2-in-1 pack and 3-in-1 pack, 4-in-1 packs. In the future, you will not expect this kind of the offer. Why? Because I am planning to close this particular offer. I am planning to take the live sessions batch from this particular January or February of the next year. So that's why I am closing this offer. But the people, those who are already enrolled to the course, are the people new to our course. Okay, so you are also eligible for the live batches also. Okay, so if I want to start any live batches by February or March, then you can also able to access to that particular live batches classes also. Okay. But you have to enroll to the application and you have to take the courses according to your course. You can access to the live classes also. Okay, so I'm planning to do the live classes from the March or April of the next year. Okay, so approximately we have that 3 or 4 months duration is there from now. So better to take any one of the course, depends upon your interest, or 2-in-1 packs or 3-in-1 packs or 4-in-1 pack is also available with 1 year validity offer. So you can utilize this offer and learn the complete courses before starting my live classes. So I'm planning to take the live classes also. If you have any questions or queries regarding that particular videos or review classes, you can ask me in the live session also. And one more thing, I am planning to upload the Primavera P6 software by end of this year, or mostly you can expect the first week of the January. Okay, the complete knowledge regarding the Primavera P6 software, which is related to construction project management. This is also one of the most important domain in the civil engineering after completing of the BE. Okay, nowadays because of the many projects management, at least one need to have construction project manager. So why? Because they need to update the work and they need to complete the work in time, for time to complete the project in predetermined or defined budget. Okay, so that's why I'm updating the Primavera P6 software in our application also. Those who are really want to interest that particular Primavera P6 software, once check in our application after end of this month or first week of the January, so that you will able to get that particular Primavera P6 software. So now, because of the many requests from the people, I am providing 3 days offer for the particular Stat Pro, ETAP, SAP and Rivet architectural software in the same process, 2-in-1 packs, 3-in-1 packs with 80% discount. So the people, those who are not enrolled to my application, please download my application and please try to take the courses. Why? Because it is having high quality content and high quality videos. I am trying to update the videos also. It depends upon the number of the real time projects and it depends upon the number of the considerations. I am trying to update the content related to how to draw the reinforcement diagram after analysis from the structural engineering software like STAD, ETAP, SAP. Okay, so how to draw the results in AutoCAD software and how to submit the sheets in A1, A0, A2, A3 type of the sheets to the client. Okay, so this is the complete process. You can apply the coupon codes which is related to single pack coupon code, 2-in-1 pack coupon code, 3-in-1 pack coupon code, 4-in-1 pack coupon code for getting the extra discount on the particular offer. So and try to increase your knowledge regarding the structural engineering, civil engineering. Okay, so this is the right time for you for taking the courses, and we have the only the 3 or 4 months duration for the live classes. So try to take the courses and try to learn the courses, then you will get the easy knowledge regarding the classes or courses while I am taking the live sessions. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and if you have any questions regarding my courses or applications or videos, so try to text me your questions in below WhatsApp number. So I will provide you my WhatsApp number in below description of this video, or else you can directly text to my WhatsApp which is available in the screen also. You can see that my contact number is available, WhatsApp number. You can directly text to my WhatsApp for complete doubts regarding the courses and doubts regarding the videos about the civil engineering. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like Manual Building Design, Stat Pro, ETAP, SAP, Rivet, AutoCAD, Primavera P6 are available at Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contains 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.